Toyota, the name that stands for reliability, innovation, and performance. But 2025 isn't about just reliability anymore. It's about reinvention. From electric beasts to luxury SUVs that redefine comfort, Toyota's new lineup will make you see the brand in a whole new light. So buckle up, because today we're counting down the top 5 new Toyota cars that are changing the game in 2025. Number 5. Toyota bZ4X. The future is electric. Toyota's first full-on electric SUV, the bZ4X, proves that the brand isn't late to the EV party. It's rewriting the rules. With a bold, sculpted design, panoramic roof, and tech that feels straight out of a sci-fi movie, the bZ4X is Toyota's declaration. The future is electric, and we're ready. It offers up to 250 miles of range, all-wheel drive, and one of the most comfortable rides in its class. Plus, Toyota's solid-state battery tech, just around the corner, means the best is yet to come. If you thought Toyota was playing it safe, the bZ4X will make you think again. Number 4. Toyota GR Supra, the legend reborn. Few names hit as hard as Supra. The 2025 GR Supra continues its legendary bloodline with refined power and sharper control. Under the hood, a 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-6 delivering up to 382 horsepower, and a 6-speed manual for the purists. But it's not just about speed, it's about soul. The Supra brings back that raw, emotional driving feel, the kind that makes your heart race with every shift. In a world of silent EVs, the Supra is Toyota's reminder that driving is supposed to feel alive. Number 3. Toyota Crown. Luxury meets power. The Toyota Crown is elegance on wheels, blending the prestige of a luxury sedan with the boldness of a crossover. Its design commands attention, but it's what's inside that makes it truly royal. Leather seating, ambient lighting, and a hybrid powertrain pushing 340 horsepower. It's not just a car, it's Toyota's statement to the luxury world. We can play at the top. Number 2. Toyota Tacoma 2025. Born for adventure. When you hear Toyota Tacoma, you think unstoppable. And the 2025 Tacoma takes that legacy to a new level. Built on the same platform as the new Tundra, it comes with a turbocharged i-Force engine and an optional hybrid setup pushing up to 326 horsepower. The new Trailhunter trim, pure off-road dominance, with factory-fitted overland gear, all-terrain tires, and suspension that laughs at rough trails. It's not just a pickup, it's a passport to adventure. And at number 1, the legend returns. The all-new Toyota Land Cruiser 250 marks the comeback everyone's been waiting for. It's leaner, meaner, and built to conquer the wild. Under the hood lies a 2.4-liter turbo hybrid engine, efficient but powerful. The design? A perfect mix of classic toughness and modern minimalism. It's not just a car, it's a symbol. The Land Cruiser has always been the vehicle that could take you anywhere. From the futuristic bZ4X to the revived Land Cruiser, Toyota's 2025 lineup proves one thing. This isn't just evolution, it's revolution. So which one of these would you drive home? Drop your pick in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more amazing car content.